Welcome to Spirit VPOS. In this tutorial, we are going to learn about the different payment methods available in VPOS. From the table screen, start by selecting a table. This will take you to the main items screen, where you can add the items you want to order. Once your items are added, scroll down and press the KOT button to send the order to the kitchen. Now, to proceed with the payment, click on the Pay button. A pop-up will appear, including cash, card, credit, free and partial payment. Cash payment, click on the cash option. Here, you will see the total bill amount and various currency note buttons, such as 5, 10, 20, 50, 100, 500, 1000, 5000, and 10,000. You will also find a keyboard toggle button that opens a numeric keypad, allowing you to enter the exact amount received. After entering the amount, click the Pay button. And that's it, you have successfully paid by cash. Card payment next. Click on the card option. A pop-up will appear showing the card payment method. Simply press Pay Now, and your bill receipt will appear. You have now successfully paid by card. Now let's move on to the credit payment method. Start by clicking on the Pay button. From here, select Credit Payment. You will also see a text box where you can write any notes related to the transaction. After entering the details, simply click on Pay Now. That's it, your credit payment is complete, and a receipt will appear on the screen. Next, let's look at the free payment method. Again, click on the Pay button, and the payment method pop-up will appear. Select Free Payment. A pop-up will open showing the free payment details, along with a text box. Here, you must enter the reason for giving a free transaction. Once done, click on Pay Now, and that's it, the free payment is successfully processed, and a receipt will be generated. Partial payment. Now let's explore the partial payment option. Click on Partial Payment, and a pop-up will appear showing both card and cash options. First, enter the amount you want to pay by card. And click Add Payment. Then enter the remaining amount under cash. And again click Add Payment. Once both amounts are added, the Pay Now button will appear. Click it to complete the transaction. And that's it, you have successfully paid using the partial payment method.